Hey, what is up you guys? So today I'm going to dye my hair Crimson Obsession by Splat, and I'm going to show you the box in a minute. So you're going to want to wear a t-shirt that you don't care about or that you use for when you dye your hair, so you don't really care when you get hair dye all over it. And that is the box. So those are the instructions. I don't really use them because I've done it so many times. The gloves, I had to get new ones because those did not have an opening for some reason. This is the Splat bleach part, which I did not do because my hair was already light enough for it. So you just mix those two and then put it in your hair for I think 30 minutes, then wash it out and then put this in for 60 minutes. But so that is the Crimson Obsession hair dye, and yeah. So this is me reading the instructions and dancing, so I hope you guys like it. I'll be popping in and out the whole time, so please enjoy. So for around the hairline, the back of the neck, and the ears, I will use petroleum jelly, which is, what's that stuff called? It's just to keep, you probably know what it is, but it's just to keep the hair dye off of your neck and face. Didn't really work very well. I don't think I put enough on, but I literally hate the feeling of this stuff on, like, my ears and my face and everything. By the way, don't wear white earrings or like any earrings you care about when you're doing your hair dye, because now mine are like a coral color, and you know, I didn't really care, but you know, that happened. So this is me struggling trying to get these open, and it literally took me 10 minutes to figure out they're not going to open. So I got another pair of gloves from another hair dye that my mom had. So make sure you get like every piece of your hair, make sure you get like literally everything, because if you don't, then once you like dry your hair, you're gonna see the blonde streaks or anything. So I just kind of made sure to get everywhere and like put it everywhere, all over my hair, mix it around in my hair, like act like it's shampoo pretty much, and just slather it everywhere.
Together, it's so beautiful, you and me, we meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
So I just used a plastic bag I had in my room to put it up in like a shower cap kind of thing. And excuse like my stomach just falling out of my shirt and pants. It's so sad and embarrassing, but just ignore that part and just watch how I struggly put that on, and yeah, that's my life.
Meant to be in the great outdoors.
So when you're washing out the hair dye, It will take a really long time. I only went through it about 3 or 4 times, or I think 2 times with shampoo. And yes, I know I have a hole in my armpit. It's annoying, but that's why this is my hair dyeing shirt. I don't care about this shirt. But I know you can't see what I'm doing. I'm literally just washing it out like you do with like shampoo, conditioner. But like I took a shower the next day and it was still coming out. It wasn't as bad, but it still comes out even now. So, and make sure when you use a towel you guys, like your parents or you don't care about, or like use a rag or something. I used a towel no one cared about, so that's what we did. So I hope you guys like this video. This is my hair after it's pretty much completely dry. I love the way this turned out, and I would so recommend anyone who would want reddish hair like this to get Crimson Obsession from SPLAT. This is not sponsored, by the way, but I hope this was kind of informative, kind of just fun to watch. So I hope you guys like the video. Comment down below what you want to see next, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!